The first question is the signal flow graph of a feedback control system is given below. The transfer function C of s divided by R of s of the system is, and this is a question from TRB 2017. So our aim, first we have to find the number of forward path. So here this one path and this one path. So there are two forward paths are there. So k is equal to 2. So the formula for finding transfer function using Mason gain formula, that is equal to 1 by del sum of k, pk and del k, and pk is the forward path gain. So this is the formula, and now we have to find forward path gain. Here k is equal to 2, so first we find p1. So p1 is the first forward path, that is equal to g1 g2, all are one value, so g1 g2, and p2 is only g3, that is minus g3. So now we find the forward path gain, and then we have to find del. Del is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop plus sum of two non-touching loop gain. So now we have to find the individual loops. There are only one loop here, so here we will get, that is equal to 1 minus of g1 h1, so g1 h1 and minus of g1 h1, and there is no non-touching loops, so del is equal to 1, so this become 1 plus g1 h1. So now we can write the transfer function t is equal to 1 b1 del 1 plus p2 del 2 divided by del, and there is no non-touching loop, so del 1 is equal to del 2 is equal to 1. So the transfer function here is p1 is g1 g2 and p2 is minus g3 divided by del is equal to 1 plus g1 h1. So this is the transfer function of the given control system. So here the answer is g1 g2 minus g3 divided by 1 plus g1 h1. So B the answer. Next question, in the signal flow graph shown in figure, x2 is equal to tx1 where t is equal to, and this is a question from 1987, and they are given that x2 is equal to tx1. So t is equal to x2 divided by x1, so output divided by in. So here x2 divided by x1, that is equal to forward path gain, that is equal to 5. So here this value is 5 divided by del, and del here is only one loop, that is equal to 0.5. So del value becomes 1 minus sum of individual loop, that is equal to 0.5. So here the answer is 1 divided by 0.5, that is equal to 5 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to 10. So here the answer is D 10. Next question, in the signal flow graph of figure, the gain C by R will be, and this is a question from GATE 1991 and also TRB 2012. And here first we have to find the forward path, number of forward path here 1 and 2. So k is equal to 2. We have to find p1 and also p2. So p1 is nothing but the product of each branch gain. So here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into this one is 1. So we will get 4, 12, 24. So the forward path gain, first forward path gain is 24, and p2, this is p2, we just have 5. Then again we have to find del value. So del value 1 minus sum of individual loop gain. So individual loop 1, 2, 3 loops are there. So we have -2, -3, -4. So multiplication -2, -3, -4, and plus sum of non-touching here, and this and this are non-touching loops. So the product of the sum of product of two non-touching loops. So here and this. So multiplication of -2 into -4, that will give 1 minus, this is equal to 7 and 9. So -9 plus this is equal, so this -2 into -4, this become +8. So this become +8. Then we will get here 8, 17 and 18. So del value is 18, and we have to find del k. Then 2k is equal to 2. We have to find del 1 and del 2, and del 1, and in del 1 the non-touching loop is nothing. We have non-touching loop. Everyone have a touching node in forward path 1. So del 1 value becomes 1, and considering del 2, this path, and this node is non-touching to this forward path 2, this node. So we have to calculate, that is as 1 minus, this one is -3. So 1 minus of -3. So this will become 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So now we apply all the values in Mason-Gain formula. That is T is equal to 1 by del sum of k pk del k. So now k is equal to 2. This will become 1 by del p1 del 1 plus p2 del 2, and we know the value of del, that is equal to, so here the answer is 1 by 18 into p1 is 24 into 1, del 1 is equal to 1, plus 20 into del 2 is equal to 5 into 4. So this will become 1 by 18 into 24 plus 20. This is 5 into 4, 20. So this will gives us the value of 44 divided by 18. So if we solving this, we will get 22 divided by 9, and here no options are available as 22 divided by 9, and I did anything wrong in this procedure, please mention it in comment. But the correct answer here is 22 divided by 9. So answer is 22 divided by 9. Next question, in the signal flow graph of figure y by x equals, and this is a question from GATE 1997, and we have to find y by x. So the similar formula. So first we have to find the forward path gain. So here p is equal to 5 into 2 into 1, so 10. 5 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 10, and we have to find del value, and here only one loop, individual loop. So the value here is 4, -4. 2 into -2, -4. So 1 divided by 1 minus of -4, that is equal to +4. That will gives 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So the formula for finding y by x equal to p by del here. So the value is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So answer is C, 2 here. Next question, consider the signal flow graph shown in figure. The gain xy divided by x1 is, and this is a question from GATE 2014, and this is a very simple question. By seeing the option A, B, C, D, we can identify the answer easily, because our first we have to the upper part of this division, this is equal to the forward path gain. So here the forward path is A, B, C, D. So the forward path gain is A, B, C, D. So there is only one option with this value A, B, C, D. So C is the answer. So here, otherwise you can solve it using the same procedure. We will get the same answer. But this is easiest way. By seeing the option also, we can find the correct answer for this signal flow graph. Next question, in regenerative feedback, the transfer function C of S divided by R of S of the system equals, and this is equal to the gain of the forward path loop, that is G of S, divided by 1 minus sum of that loop forward path individual loop gain, that is H of S is the loop, H of S and G of S is the loop gain, means we will given us this as G of S and H of S. So this is the transfer function for regenerative feedback system. So here the answer is G of S divided by 1 minus G of S into H of S. C is the answer. Next question, the signal flow graph is used to find transfer function of the system. So here the answer is C. Next question, the product of branch gains encountered in traversing the loop is, and this is a question from TRB 2017, and loop, the gain of the loop is known as loop gain. The forward path, the gain of the forward path is known as forward path gain, and gain of the loop is considered as a loop gain. So here the answer is A.